Hello guys, so I wanted to make a little video today about YouTube and how to become basically a YouTuber, how to put videos on YouTube and share them with your friends and your teacher. As you guys probably have heard many times, whatever you share on the internet stays there forever. And that becomes very serious. People don't realize the consequences that your basically your digital footprint can have in your life, right? So people right now that work on universities or that have businesses that want to hire people, they are looking into your digital footprint. There are ways to track you down and find photos of you on parties or anything that is not very good. It's going to make you look bad, because if you can imagine, right? Imagine somebody always posts just joking photos, but they're trying to apply for a very serious job. It won't jive, right? So what I imagine when I'm posting things online is that my dad, he passed away when I was 16, and I want him to be proud of me, right? I always imagine that he is standing behind me and watching me as I post these things. So basically, and I mean, that's kind of heavy, but you know what I mean? You want to post something that somebody that you love, that you care about, will feel proud of you if they saw you posting that. Doesn't mean that you have to always be serious. You can joke, you can live your best life, but you have to always consider, would this make, would this make my parents proud? Would this make me proud when I'm older? Think of yourself when you're older too. That's one thing to consider, right? So don't post anything that is embarrassing. Don't post anything that's super negative. Don't put people down. Don't be a bully. That kind of thing, right? All these things that if you wouldn't do something in real life, don't do it online. Okay, so when you start going into YouTubing, you're able to put comments on other people's videos. And I've seen so many negative comments, so many very negative, very mean comments that are uncalled for on videos. And I don't think that that's, a very positive thing to do. And I myself have tracked these people down to figure out, who is this person that's putting this horrible comment down? And, you can find easily who these people are. And then it's like, now you think less of them because of this nasty comment that they put on. Why would you do that, right? Why would you give me such a negative snapshot? I'm not seeing you every day. I don't see what a great person you are. If all you do is put negative comments and all I see are negative comments, I don't know what a great person you are. All you're looking at, or that you look like for a person that's looking from the outside, is a negative person, right? You don't want that to be your persona online. Think about, what is your persona online? It has to be a persona that represents exactly who you are. Positive, good person that is out there just to really have some fun, learn new things, and explore, the digital world in a very positive way, right? It's kind of like this. Imagine if you're going to a dinner, right? And you want to show your best self. So you dress up nicely, you speak nicely, you say what you mean, but you're saying it in a nice way. Basically, that's what it is. Online, you should always represent yourself as if it is your best self possible. Names of sister, brother, no. Name of mom and dad, no. Where do you live? Name of city, name of street, things like that. That's not okay. Favorite movie, all right. Favorite dog breed, sure. Favorite dishes, that's fine. Favorite movies, that's fine. But if you start to say specifics that would link whoever is watching back to you, then that's not a good thing, right? And definitely do not use your real name, right? Do not use your real name. The most important thing is to get in the habit of being positive and not trolling people, even if you think that no one can tell who you are.
Hey, Phil, what are you doing? This guy online called me ugly, and then I said he was the one who looked like a rotten turnip. So he drew a picture of me with cat ears, and now I found out he likes oatmeal, so I'm telling him only dummies like oatmeal. I hate trolls. When you feed the trolls, you become one.
you have to keep a private persona online while at the same time trying to be your best self. And that's kind of a very tempting thing, right? I've had a kid ask me, Miss Jurgensen, if no one knows who I am, why can't we just do whatever we want and, make fun of people and stuff? Well, that defeats the purpose, right? The purpose is to get in the habit of having a proper persona online. Also, what you think is protected is often not protected. It can be found by different means. So why risk somebody finding horrible, horrible comments that don't reflect the real you? If you can just be a nice, positive presence online, right? If everybody was a nice, positive presence online, we wouldn't have online bullying, right? We wouldn't have any issues really online with people getting in danger, getting in difficult situations. We wouldn't have that.
Cindy, there you are. Do you want to play?
How can I play when there's so much evil in the world today? Look at the news. Violence, war, hunger, disease. I tell you, times are rough.
Actually, we're living humanity's most peaceful time ever. People are more likely to help each other, care for nature and the future of the world.
Then why is the internet filled with bad news?
It is harder to make money with good news. Bad news sells products.
Oh.
Not everything you are going to see on YouTube is real. I know that you guys know this already. There's Flat Earther Society. There's, Planet Nibiru coming to destroy Earth, and all sorts of crazy things that you can find, right? So YouTube is one of those things that anybody can come in and post anything they want, and that's okay. So don't believe anything that you see as news. If you want to find out if it's real or not, you go to Google, you do some research, look for sites that end in .gov or .edu or .org. Those are more, serious sites. You can go to some news stations if you want. And finally, there's a site that I really like. I'm going to show you guys now. Snopes. It's called Snopes. It is a fact-checking site. I love this site. If you are in doubt if anything is real or not, check out www.snopes.com, and they probably will have a very unbiased, very, very good take on it. So this is YouTube, right? We're going to be awesome on YouTube. We're going to be posting good things, good comments, good videos, positive stuff, and we're going to be very, very private. And all our videos, by the way, will be private, which is even better, right? Yes, good, because we are in middle school. So now let's take a look at how to create this account. So you're in YouTube, you pulled up www.youtube.com, and you will find that if you had logged into your Google account for the school, you are probably already signed in. If you are not signed in, right, click on sign in, and you are going to sign in with your school account. In your case, it is your student number at newwestschools.bc.ca, just what you always use. I'm going to use my school account here, right? Gonna go for it. And as you log into Google, boom, you're logged into YouTube. So now I am logged in as me from school. So all of you guys have access to this, which is awesome. Now, how are you going to create a video? You're going to click on this little button here that says create. You're going to upload a video. So I'm going to wait here. Look. Oh, hello there. Yay. This is awesome. No, I don't need to see this because I've been doing this, guys, please. This is the screen that you should see after you have the little welcome video and everything. This is the screen that you should see. So it is basically you drag the video there and it starts uploading. Super easy. So I'm going to get a little video here that I made. So you're going to drag the video. See, I have the video here. I'm dragging with my mouse into this screen and releasing. And here you can put details of the video. So I'm going to put a title testing video description. I created this video for my assignment in drama. It shows the story, the love story between a cockatiel and a vacuum cleaner. It ends badly. So, you know, you put a nice little description here so that I know what I'm watching, right? You can upload a thumbnail, you don't have to. This is more complicated. You have to get a JPEG and put it up there. But, you know, just you don't have to do anything because it will automatically select thumbnail for you. Scrolling down, you put in that it's not made for kids. Otherwise, there are some things that happen. I don't know. It always glitches on me. So I always say it's not made for kids because it doesn't really matter because you're going to make it private. So next, nothing there, no video elements. And this is the interesting thing. So here you can choose between basically private, unlisted, or public. Public is everybody can see your video, and if they type searches, they will find your video. The best thing really is to keep either private or unlisted. Unlisted, anybody that you send the video link can see your video. That could be kind of dicey because if you send it to a friend, but then you fight with the friend starts sharing your link to everybody, that's not a good thing. You might not want that. Private, however, only the people that you invite personally are able to see your video. So that might be the best one for us here. I would say private is more safe. So this is it. So you send your video, put it on private, share it with me, and this way you can select who you want to see your video. Okay. I'm gonna save it, and now it's going to process it. Oh wow, it was very quick because it's only 6 seconds, right? So it's already processed and it's already there. So your video is here, right? You can see here how it says it's private. We are going to now share it with one person. To do that, we're going to click right on the video, and we are here now. So I am going to go here to this and say share privately. So this will let you share with one specific email address, which really works well because you can just type in my email here. And that is my email address. So I can share it with me. So that's it. You shared this with me, and then I will see it. Once you click here, save and go back to YouTube Studio, then I am going to get an email. See, because it says here notified by email. See, if you uncheck this, I won't know. But since this is checked, I'm going to get an email saying, you know, check out this video. Let's do that. I'm going to save and go back to YouTube Studio. So there we go. You just shared it with me. Now, just to be sure, what you can do is copy this link here, right underneath, copy, and you can share it. Then you can go to Teams and go to your assignments, go to exactly where your assignments is, and just share that link with me. So let's pretend I'm just gonna go here. Because I have the link copied, I can go here and I can paste it. Paste the link to the new assignment that you're going to hand in, right? So that was that. I'm going to fix that because that is not my assignment. All right, close it off. And that is it. That's how you post a video to YouTube and how you share it in private with me. Okay, so it's very specific though. Again, you got to come up here, share privately. Okay, otherwise it's not going to work. If you just send this to me, it's not going to work. Okay. So that was it, you guys. This is pretty much it. Make sure to be safe, be kind, and, you know, start making a nice digital footprint out there. Be your best self online. Share those videos with me. I love you guys. I miss you guys, and I'll see you soon. Okay? Bye.